You want a supermodel pose like my real friend Wynne?
Hey loves, so I got a little t-shirt on, looking a little crazy, but I'm about to go to the grocery store and I cannot go wearing these braids again. First things first, my parts are crazy. Let me just let y'all get into what's going on right now, because this scarf is really saving me. My braids are hella old. I'm really trying it at this point. So when in doubt, headband wig it out, okay? Today's video is sponsored by Asteria hair. They are getting me through right now, because if I do say so myself, I have been putting my foot in these lace wigs, but honey, it's like 8 o'clock. I really need to go to Walmart so I can get some little packing cubes and stuff, and I'm not about to put on a full-blown frontal for Tarjay. It's just not that serious. They sent me this 22-inch 180% density curly headband wig, and as you can see, the cap construction is really nice, and I really love this band because it gives you the option to wear your hair in a ponytail. As you can see, there's 3 clips right here and then a clip in the back. Before we get to putting the wig on, I actually want to lay my edges down just so it can be really smooth. If you put the wig on first, then lay your edges down, sometimes it can look a little wonky. So we're gonna just go ahead and take care of it. I'm taking a little bit of this edge control. I bought it in Mexico, but I ran out of my other one. So we're gonna just see what it's giving. I'm doing the baby hair kind of light. I don't want to go too crazy because, again, I just want it to look really like natural and chill, and I do not want it to be too hard. A couple swoops here and there, and then I'm gonna just smooth the rest of the hair back. Nothing too fancy, no crazy swoops. I'm literally just gonna smooth everything else back, because when you have baby hair in the middle and then your sideburns are crazy, you're not fooling nobody. Now, I don't really trust the edge control that I use, so I'm gonna just give it a little spritz, a little tinctures of the Got To Be Glued spray, because then at least I know it'll stay. So I'm just patting a little bit of that on there. I don't want to spray it on because my little nozzle is... Let's let the edges cook for a second. And then we'll come back and like pop the wig on. I don't know why, like when I see people do their edges and just get up and go, I'm like, it's just how I was raised. You have to tie your edges down after you lay them. I don't care what type of modern technology they putting in these edge controls. It's just a part of the process. It just don't feel right. So the edges should be nice and done by now. Not bad. We'll take it. So I'm gonna just pop the wig. Oh, actually no, I need to put my wig cap on. Okay, so y'all remember when I cut my hair like to here, and you can't really tell, but it's like, it's giving collarbone, nice little length. And I don't know why, like I don't really like having my hair long, but I really like growing it out, or like the process of growing it out. So yeah, your girl trying to grow her hair out. So for me, I feel like when I wear a wig cap, my hair just stays a little bit healthier because it's not like rubbing up against my wig all the time. And to be honest, that's another reason why I've been wearing a lot of wigs too. Locks and braids are great for your hair, but sometimes they can be a little bit heavy. They're not like super heavy where they're uncomfortable, but it is a little bit lighter. So just, you know, wear a wig sometimes. And I'm trying to keep as much tension off of my hair as possible. So things like headband wigs and lace closure wigs have been my best friend. So we got the wig cap on. I got my little Nipsey braids tucked in, cause child, let's pop her. Ooh, I like it already. My original plan was to define the curls, but I kind of like it fluffy. It's like a little Velcro strap on this band. So I'm gonna just attach that in the back. Okay, so hear me out. I was gonna define the curls, but I really like it. I like it big. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, instead of actually defining the curls, I'm gonna just kind of finger comb through it and try and make it as big as possible. Okay, so Asteria sent me this really cute scarf. Oh, and some cute lashes. Normally the lashes that hair companies send you are a little, but these are actually cute. Honey? Oh yeah. But they sent me this really cute scarf. It's this really gorgeous, like, silky scarf. So I'm just gonna fold it into a triangle. And then I wanna kind of give a little vintagey moment. Very like, huh.
You know what? I did say that. My bad.
Grabbing the corners. And I'm just gonna tie it on top of the little triangle in the back. Okay, so this is the finished look. I'm about to go to Target. I was gonna go to Walmart, but this hair deserves at least Target, okay? I really love how the hair looks brushed out. This hair is super simple. If you like this video, like this video. Thank you again to Asteria for working with me. The hair texture is bomb, and I can just see myself throwing this wig on all the time. She's gonna save my life. I can see it in my future. She's gonna be great. We need a name for her. Comment down below what we should name her. I'm thinking like Sierra. I don't know, but for some reason this hair makes me look like I can dance. I feel like I can just like, and you can't tell me no different. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.